Hello friend, GS450 2017 model. Customer complaint: air condition blowing hot air, passenger side and driver side is cold, but the passenger side air condition blowing hot air. How to reset this system? Another problem, customer complaint, injector maintenance light appear in cluster. Servo motor installation, special function in servo motor installation. Same thing, no change. Off the car and turn on the ignition switch and use this function. Servo motor installation, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, the system will be reset. Start the car, on the AC. Very cold. The system is resetted. Very nice working. 2 side is pouring now. Before the hot air condition servo motor stuck, you can see injector maintenance required. How to do this? Off the car, then start the car, press the brake pedal 4 times on the light. After on the light, press the brake pedal 4 times, then off light and brakes the pedal 4 times. Repeat this step for several times. Repeat this step for several times. The system will be reset. You can see. Shake, submit. Okay. The light is disappeared. Thank you for watching.
Hello?
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Everything okay? Okay.